Hey everyone, it's Adam here. On a lot of these GS bikes, you'll see here, this is your main primary fuel line that feeds down here, and it goes its separate ways into your cylinder heads to feed in fuel. But this here is a plastic fitting. It's plastic on both sides, this side and also the tank side, which I'll show you guys in a minute. This will eventually fail. This seal here, it's not, in the first 60,000 miles, this will start to leak and you'll start to smell gasoline. It's not gonna catch fire, it's just annoying because you're like, why is this leaking? And it just smells bad. So, and gasoline can be a little bit corrosive. So, you'll see here we have is a kit from BMW Boneyard. You can read this if you'd like to. And basically what we're doing, if you look here, these are the same. These fittings are the same. This goes down into there, but you'll notice that this is, not only is it a all metal construction, but it has gas-proof fittings, so they don't get corroded by gasoline. So you basically can buy this kit from BMW Boneyard. This goes in the tank side of things, and you can install this on your bike, and it will basically eliminate that issue. Here's also your thread sealant. So we're going to install this on the bike. For starters, we're going to yank this guy off and install the new fitting on this side of the bike. Alright, so here's the two side by side. You can see there's the existing one and the new one. Obviously a lot more robust. So this gets threaded over the cable and we tighten it down. All right, so we've drained the fuel, and now we have this fitting back here. And you can see it okay, but basically you can get it started with a simple set of pliers. You don't have to worry too much about damaging it because it's not really going to be, you know, hopefully you don't have to put it back on the bike. So we're going to compare these two fittings to each other. So, same size ball, obviously more stout. This quick disconnect is a lot harder than this one. Just a more stout manufacturing, but everything's identical except for obviously the style of fitting. You do need to apply your sealant there. Other than that, just plug it right in. So we're going to clean this out a little bit. Get some of that shit out of there. Super duper easy. Now you can be a little more careful with this on that reinstallation. I actually don't know the torque specs of this one, so I'm just kind of going to go until I get enough resistance that I'm happy with. But you obviously don't want it to back out over time either. Everything up. I'll show you guys the other side of this in case I forgot to shoot this part of the video. So this is your other piece. This is going to be kind of tucked back here and right into that fitting. The oil ring on there locks in place and you're good. Should last you the life of the bike, or in my case, a year.